John McKeag here with Liberty Aid Academy. I'm often asked about my work and is it legit and so on. I invented all this about the trust and everything on our school here at Liberty Aid Academy is my work exclusively that I generated from scratch. That's right. It's all copyrighted. If you're seeing my work elsewhere, they stole it. It's plagiarized. And I have copyrights for every single one of these. Okay? This is what, let's say, Business Finance 101. This is the certificate, what it looks like. It's certificate of registration. Let's look at, okay, all of these are copyrighted. So here's McKeag Mastery Trust. It was first registered in 2020. Details. It was something that was completed in 2016 and published on March 14th, 2016, and so on. I have all the files, everything for this, all the proof. And so all of these works are copyrighted. My written works, all of it. My video works, all of it's copyrighted. So again, other people are claiming that they have plagiarized my work, stole it, but they are the ones that started it? No. No, I'm the first one that did this. I'm the OG. And I got the proof. That's right. Proof up or shut up. That's the rule. And I'm all about proof. Go check out the rest of my YouTube channel. I have so many proofs. I put my passport up again recently. Come on. Who does that? Go look at all the proofs, and we have testimonials, dozens and dozens. Nothing to worry about here at Liberty Aid Academy. All of it is original. All of it is copyrighted. All of it works for 100% of the people.